They say every journey has two parts, the going and the returning. But in truth, both are chapters of the same story. This is my return ride through the heart of Himalayas, the winding roads of Nepal, where every bend whispers a story, every breeze carries a lesson, and every uphill climb reminds me of the life I live. This isn't just a road trip, it's a reflection of life itself. And today, as I ride back through the same mountains, I realize I am not the same person who started this ride. The scenic beauty was breathtaking. The mountains, majestic and calm, remind me that no matter how chaotic life gets, there is always peace to be found. Sometimes outside and sometimes within. The roads curve like the twist of life. You can't see what's around the corner, but you keep going, trusting the ride. The birds above, the prayer flags fluttering, the cold breeze against my face. It all feels like nature is reminding me you are alive, you are here, you are on your way. As I ride, I think about all the struggles I have faced, the days I doubted myself, the nights I almost gave up. But like these roads, my journey has always continued. Sometimes life feels like a steep incline, hard, tiring, endless. But isn't it those moments that we build strength? Happiness doesn't always come from the destination. It comes from realizing how far we have come and still moving forward. As I ascend and descend into the hills, the roads began to twist and curl like the strokes of an artist's brush. Riding through them wasn't just travel, it was an experience of dance. My scooty swayed with the curves, rising and dipping in perfect rhythm with the mountains. Each bend offered a new breathtaking view. I wanted to soak in every frame, every breeze, and every sound of this sacred route. There's something deeply spiritual about riding through Nepal's mountain roads. The air feels wiser here, filled with stories that the rocks, rivers, and the trees have been silently keeping for centuries. By late afternoon, golden sunlight spilled across the ridges, casting long shadows that danced beside me as I rode. The journey had aged itself into my memory. Every bump, every view, every breath of that cool mountain air. My body felt the fatigue, but my spirit felt light, liberated. There was magic in the simplicity of it all. Two wheels, one heart, and endless mountains. Then comes the part we all dread, the rough patches. The roads are under construction, dusty, bumpy, with sharp stones. My scooty shudders beneath me. My hands ache from gripping too tight. But isn't that exactly like life? Sometimes the road breaks, sometimes you do, but the journey doesn't stop. There's no turning back, no skipping the rough chapters. You just go slower, with more care and more courage. Every bump teaches patience, every slip demands resilience, and somehow you make it through. Another rough patch ahead. I see others struggling on this path too. Trucks stuck, bikers slowing down, everyone navigating their own journey. It reminds me that no one rides smooth roads forever. Everyone carries something: pain, hope, dreams, and regrets. But the mountains, they watch quietly. They have seen it all, and maybe that's the biggest lesson. That struggles are temporary. The road will smoothen again, and when it does, you will look back and smile at how far you have come. Journey continues. The air feels lighter now. The view opens up again. Wide, clear, and beautiful. My scooty may be dusty, my back aching, but my heart is full because I've made it through. And so will you. Every ride, every road, every struggle, it's all part of this beautiful journey called life. So, keep riding, keep believing, and keep moving forward. The mountain road may test you, but it also transforms you.